Me and Andy are out again down our tip, well, one of the tips. It's been raining today and it's a bit bloody cold. But fortunately, we've noticed that because of like economic thingamabobbles and whatnot, that there's not as much stuff about. People aren't tipping as much, which means we aren't finding as much. Big places actually. Some new tipping over there. We haven't found anything. Well, we found a few things in the last couple of days, but not much. Let's go and have a look up there in a minute. Some metal up there. Well, you won't be able to see it now. Just get a better camera, but there's a bit of metal up there, Andy.
Brass out of it last time, didn't we? Some sinks.
And copper, yeah, let's have a look.